My name is Colonel B.D. Sangal. I'm a retired Army officer, and after retirement, I started this company, Communication and System Engineering Pvt. Limited. I'm the founder director. Initially, we started with the power equipment, and in the solar industry, we started in 1998 with the first order from Himachal Government. Thereafter, we continued and expanded our business to various states. That includes Himachal, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Tripura, Meghalaya, Assam, and many other states. Business grew right from the beginning, and we have achieved quite appreciable amount of turnover. We have installed something total approximately 20 to 25 megawatt of solar projects all over India, and all are functioning very well to the entire satisfaction of the customer. We are in touch with the IB Solar, which is a very good company. We have been taking their modules and other items in our projects. The performance of these items, modules which we purchase from them, is quite good. They are efficient and highly economical. Their commitment is excellent. They are right up to the time. They do not even delay even for a day. The efficiency of their products is absolutely as per the rated one, and we are quite happy with the association with the IB Solar. The quality of materials supplied by IB Solar is of very high quality, and their promptness in if there is any defect, small defect if it is existing, they are very prompt in responding to the defect, and they always give the solution to that. Our future plan depends upon our productivity, our turnover, and accordingly their turnover will be also accordingly. And that's why I say that we grow and they also grow, because I have got a lot of confidence on IB Solar. They will provide us the high quality products. If you really ask me how much percentage of what I would like to take 100% material from them. If you ask me as to how efficient they are, how the organization is efficient, I would say that they are capable of doing anything, and I would rate them 9 out of 10. If somebody is giving me a good service, it is my duty to recommend them to other people, and therefore I recommend my friends and other people to have some business with IB Solar. Thank you very much.